Steve.
Steve, nice to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you too. This is it right here?
Yeah, this is it.
You just want to get one key?
Yeah, one's fine.
I can do the second one for like 75.
75 more?
Yeah. The remote key too.
That's a good idea, actually. I feel like I know where. I mean, the other one I lost is going to come up eventually. It's in my house somewhere.
Okay, so on these, like, we have to do all keys lost.
All
So
right.
it's going to erase everything.
So it's not.
Yeah, that's the only way to program these. Yeah.
Yeah, the other one down south.
Yeah, it's my shop too.
Summit.
Yeah, yeah, we have 3 locations.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So I got a quote from the dealership. It was like $600 or something.
Oh, really?
I was like, really?
And you got to tow it there.
Yeah. I found you on like Reddit, googling best like car locksmith
Really?
in Boston, and you're really like in one of the threads, like 10 upvotes or something.
Really? So just customers like
Just random people online.
that's awesome.
Yeah,
It's like the best free advertising,
Yeah.
right? That's awesome. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start programming this. Let's do the remote first. On, press unlock, off, on, press unlock, off, on, press unlock, on, press unlock, and again. We're using our trusty Auto Pro pad. Stop making this thing. It's the fastest machine ever. Alright, emo light is off, yes. Alright, so total after tax be $368.05.
68. Okay. I have cash too. That's good, but I don't think it's enough. I forgot to take into account tax. There we go.
Alrighty.
Cool.
Appreciate it. Have a good day.
Have a good one.
See you later.